think Layla has more teeth than Cora does. Yeah.
What's funny?
Why are you laughing?
It's just fun to laugh, isn't it? Is Cora being silly?
Yeah,
Eyes.
Eyeball, huh?
Layla. Layla. Layla.
Mama.
Yes, Cora.
Oh wow, it's so clear. She said, Mama.
Ball? Where? The ball's in the pool.
Oh, careful! Don't point her eyes.
That's Cora.
Yes, it's Cora.
Yeah, that's how the air goes in. You don't want to open that. I know. Everything goes in the mouth.
Cora's diaper's just getting bigger
I
and bigger.
know, I was thinking that too.
Does that look good?
What's Layla doing?
You waiting for your turn? I want to bite that too.
Does she have all her first year molars?
Let's see. Yeah, she's got